All right, if you have one of these, you're eventually gonna get one of these. And then you're gonna need one of these. Now we've traveled all around the country and we brought these bikes with us everywhere we've gone in the back of the RV. And it's just a matter of time before these chains are gonna rust out, get dirty and grimy, and then you gotta have some maintenance. So I got this bike chain and bike maintenance. Now let me go over and tell you a little bit about what you get in this kit. All right, you're gonna get your bike chain lube right here. You're also gonna get your degreaser, this right here, a professional bike chain cleaner. These are your two main solutions that you're gonna get, that you're gonna be using a lot. And then they're gonna give you a couple different brushes right here. This brush is gonna be used to clean out your gears. This brush right here is going to be used to clean out your gear hooks. So this, think small gears and think big gears right here. This brush right here is going to be used to clean out the chain teeth. So your chain's going to go in right through here, and that's, you're going to scrub that right just like that, right? And then you have another brush on the other side, which is not as coarse, but it's fine. So if you need to brush some things off. Then you're gonna get my favorite, the reason what got me on this one is the chain cleaner. So you pour a little bit of solution right in here, this stuff right here, into here, and it's gonna clean your chain as you're spinning it and going through, spinning the tire and going through. Then you're gonna actually get a socket brush as well. This is big for your big sockets, and you can just put them in. It's a socket brush that actually you can stick in between here as well as the outside of your sprockets. So all of that and more. Now let's get the job done. All right, to do this job, I'm gonna get some gloves on because I don't wanna make a mess of my hands, right? Because you can obviously tell just by touching all this stuff, you're gonna get black hands. What we'll do is we'll put this in here. Now I'm gonna make sure I'm following the instructions. You got a little sprocket right here that's gonna spin, and you put that chain inside that sprocket, just like that. And then I've already got it just like that. I wanna have the locking mechanism on the outside here. So just making sure, yeah, I think I'm gonna go on the bottom here. Just doing it for the first time. We're gonna do this together. So I'm putting it on the bottom so there's a little bit more sag there. And the chain, if I push, I'm gonna go like this. So I probably do want to have it like this. So it cleans it and then wipes it with this, just like so. Because in the picture, it doesn't have the bike upside down. So I'll do that, put the top on. And then in order to kind of make it sure that it doesn't fall off, they have this little handle right here. Again, it's probably, it says it's kind of made for, or doing it the other way where it's off the ground, where it's not upside down. Obviously this is upside down. All right, there we go. Next thing you do is you pour the solution in there. We're gonna do that really quick. Bike chain cleaner solution right there. And then I'm gonna spray all over the chain here. Get some of this on there, just let it soak for a little bit. While it's soaking, that's what these guys are for. So this little brush right here is to get inside of these sprockets, just like this. And they start cleaning that up. It's actually looking really good. We'll just jump to the next brush that you'd use is this one for your gears over here. I like it. Getting that solution everywhere. Let it soak in. Then the next one, you have this one for your spokes right here. I'm not worried about these guys. I'm not gonna try and clean those up, but that's what that is for. And then this is for your chain right here. If you don't wanna use this, just wanna quickly do that, but I am gonna use this right now. So let's see. It is looking already so much better. like way better. I'm just wondering if it's gonna work better going the other way. Kind of like it. This is getting really, looking really good actually. If it's upside down, I don't think it matters. That looks like it's getting done both ways. I just wanted to see if it really mattered, and I don't think it does. What matters is that the chain goes through here from the top, that sprocket cleans it, right? So now let's spray it off and see what we got here. I'm just gonna let that dry for a little bit and then come back and hit it with some lube, some chain lube, but that already looks night and day difference, right? You can see my old chain was rusted. Now it's coming back to life. Yeah, that stuff works great. So I'm just gonna let it dry and then hit it with some lube. Now, I did not expect this chain to come back to life, but it came back to life. Now, the last thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put some of this bike chain lube on. Now, the cool thing about this is this head is with sprockets with little holes right here. So you can see that maybe. So as I squeeze on this, it's gonna lube the chain. So I'm gonna just kind of go backwards like that, lube the chain up. And then if you wanted to, you could take this cap off and then get inside the sprockets, which I'm gonna do as well. But first we're gonna do the chain, then we'll do the sprockets. That's pretty cool. That's really easy. And one more revolution should get us there. I'm starting to see it come back around. And that's, like I said, really easy. Next level, just kind of do this on here. Close that up by pushing that in, and you're just getting this guy right here. That is sounding so much better. I'm gonna probably get some in here as well. Just lube everything, right? Might as well get everything just, yeah, oh yeah. Welcome back, bike. Where you been? All right, it was time for me to give this bike some love. You saw it, it was past time. This is the first time that I've ever really given that bike some TLC, and it was sorely overdue. But I'm super impressed. I did not think it was gonna come back to life as well as it did. So yeah, if you're looking to restore an old bike or just maintain a bike, then I would definitely get this bike lube chain gear gizmo wackadoodle for your bike.